In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DCA on Robinhood. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Robinhood app on your device. Whether you're using an Android phone, an iPhone, or an iPad, the process is the same. Once the app is open, sign into your Robinhood account. This ensures that you have access to your portfolio and can make changes. With your account open, the next step is to select an investment. Think about what stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency you want to invest in regularly. Search for the name of the investment in the search bar. Once you find it, open its detail page. This page gives you all the information you need about the asset, including its current price and history. Understanding these details is crucial because it helps you make informed decisions about your investments. Now, let's set up your recurring investment. On the detail page of your chosen investment, tap on the Trade button. From there, select Buy. As you proceed, you'll see an option for recurring investment. Choose this option. This feature is helpful because it automates your investment strategy, saving you time and effort. Next up, it's time to choose your schedule. Robinhood offers several options for how often you can invest. You can choose to invest daily if you want frequent investments. Alternatively, you can select weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. Pick a frequency that aligns with your financial goals and cash flow. Remember, this step is important because consistency in investing can help smooth out market fluctuations over time. Now, enter the dollar amount you wish to invest each time. For instance, you might decide on investing $25 weekly or $100 monthly. Type your chosen amount into the designated field. This decision should be based on what you can afford to set aside regularly without affecting your other financial commitments. After entering the amount, it's time to review and confirm your investment details. Tap on the Review button to go over everything. Check the frequency and the amount to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied, confirm the recurring investment. This final step is crucial because it locks in your investment plan, ensuring your strategy is executed as you've set it up. Here are a few important notes to keep in mind. Make sure you have enough cash or recurring deposits available before each scheduled purchase. This will prevent any disruptions in your investment plan. Additionally, remember that recurring investments do not guarantee profits. Investments can lose value, so it's important to be mindful of your risk tolerance. Lastly, fractional shares may be used when your dollar amount doesn't purchase a whole share. This flexibility allows you to invest in expensive stocks with smaller amounts of money. It's a smart way to diversify your portfolio without needing large sums of money up front. And that's it. You've now set up dollar cost averaging on Robinhood. This method helps you build wealth over time by investing consistently. Thanks for following along, and happy investing.